I'm trying to get turned around here, but I don't have very much room. This is the hole I want to go through. So I got to get turned around without getting stuck. And then I got to get back a little bit so I can get a smooth run through here. All right, well, damn it. Let me try one more time. All right, I'm going to have to do a 22-point turn to get back down that way. So I'm just going to go for it. Hopefully this is going to work. Now the idea is to go at it slow. You don't want to hit this and splash the water up. It is going to probably come up over the hood, but I think I can do this. So you're going to roll in slow and you're going to build speed and push the wave away from you. Oh shit. No! Damn it. Oh.